welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a health video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this yellow smoothie using apple cider. And as I was editing the video, it was supposed to be a normal tutorial, but as I was editing it, it sounded like an ASMR, so I didn't make it a normal tutorial. I didn't speed it up or add any background music. It's going to be just the sounds that were in the video, and it literally sounds like an ASMR. I never made an ASMR video, so this was exciting when I was listening to it, but I hope you guys like it. If you're not sure what ASMR is, it's just like those sounds that make you tingle and stuff. If you look up ASMR on YouTube, you'll know what I'm talking about. But yeah, just let me know how y'all felt about this little ASMR video. Okay, so I like to use frozen fruit. So I got these frozen bags of fruit from Publix, and that is what we're going to be using for this smoothie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys next time.